hopeless, fear. Entire cities run over by something we barely understand.
She is our only hope, General. Only human that didn't turn.
The human race is on the brink of collapse. It has come down to us to save all of humanity.
T-minus 5 minutes. We get in quick, get the girl, and get the hell out of here. Move, move, move.
Hello and welcome back to Text Nebula. Before we start how this trailer was made using free AI tools, if you liked it, give the video thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. That said, let's start with step-by-step guide how you can accomplish Silomar, or better than that using free AI tools. Follow the following 6 steps. Build a script, use your own or take help from ChatGPT. Then use free AI tools to generate animations. Use AI voiceovers for narration and dialogues. Find free background music and motion effects. Remove watermarks and finally edit everything in a free video editor. First thing first, we need a story. If you are good in creating short stories, create your story with every scene defined properly. A scene that must convey the desired meaning within 3 or 4 seconds. If you are trying for the first time, always try to create scenes that doesn't contain fast or abrupt movement of characters and try not to use lot of dialogues in your story. But if you are not good with creating stories, use ChatGPT to your benefit. It will create consistent short storyline with predefined scenes for you. Once ChatGPT create the scenes, look for any inconsistency. Make necessary changes in the scenes if required. Keep in mind that AI text-to-video technology is still evolving, and you may not be able to create every scene that you want. Certain words like bomb, explosion, abduction may be considered explicit and AI may block your prompt. So always make sure you do not create story that AI won't create scenes for you. Let's create animation for our story using free AI tools. Genmo.ai and Pika Labs offers you unlimited creations, and they are the only one I used in creating all the scenes of that trailer-like video. In Genmo.ai, first create your prompt according to your scene. You can also upload an image for reference. Change camera motion like zoom and pan. And use built-in FX library to further fine-tune your creations. Once ready, click on Submit. It will take some time to create the animation. Once ready to view, watch to see if it's worthy enough to use it for your video. If not, prompt it again to create another version. Copy the same prompt and head over to Pika Labs. You will find similar video customization settings in Pika Lab as were in Genmo, like aspect ratio and frames per seconds, camera control and motion strength. It also lets you use negative prompt that will exclude it from your creation. You can play around with different settings to achieve desired results. Click the Create button and wait for a few seconds. Once both Genmo and Pika Labs generate the animations, compare both results and select the one that best describes your scene. If you are not satisfied with the results, prompt both again with either using the same text or make changes in your text prompt. If you are facing difficulties, use free AI image generators and use the image as reference to generate better scenes. Keep generating your animations until you reach your concluding scenes. Let's create AI voiceovers for our video. Download and install OBS Studio and Audacity. Both applications are open source and completely free. Write OBS Studio in Google Search. Open the official OBS Studio website and click on Download for Windows. Once download is complete, run the setup and install it. For Audacity, search Audacity in Google. Open the official Audacity website and click on Download for Windows. Once download is complete, run the setup and install it. After installation, open OBS Studio and click on Start Recording. The important thing is to keep the mic disabled. And keep the desktop audio enabled. Head over to levo.ai or mef.ai. The method works the same for any text-to-speech tool that lets you play it. Enter your text that you need to convert to AI speech in the text box. Click on the photo icon above the text box. Choose from several voiceovers, depending on your scene, like male or female, young adult or mature. You have lots available to choose from. You can add emotions like sad, furious, sarcastic, and many more. Once you like a voice, you can also increase or decrease the speed of voiceover. You can add pauses wherever needed. Once all set, click on Generate. Once the voiceover is generated, if you try to download the voiceover, you will met with upgrade prompt, as download feature is only available in paid plans. But instead of upgrading, just click on play button and let it play.
This part of the video explains how to get premium AI voiceovers for free.
The OBS Studio will record the voiceover. Stop recording in OBS. Go to the destination in your PC where the recording was saved. Open Audacity and drag that recording into Audacity. As you can see, the entire audio track is empty but only contains the voiceover.
This part of the video explains how to get premium AI voiceovers for free.
Cut the desired audio part by left-click before the track and drag the cursor to the last part. Press Ctrl+A and then press Delete. Now paste your voiceover you cut from track earlier. Click on File, then Export Audio. Select your destination. And click on Export. Open your destination folder and preview your voiceover.
This part of the video explains how to get premium AI voiceovers for free.
In this step, we will find relevant background sound, music, and visual effects for our video. Go to pixabay.com and in the search field write anything that you need. From the search section, select from drop-down menu if you need images or sound effects. Keep the tab on the icon next to that sound effect, it will either be showing, editor choice, outstanding, etc. Do not use anything whose icon display content ID. Apart from that, you can select any sound and visual effects. Next steps is to remove watermarks from all the animations. First, for convenience, arrange all the animation video in any order you are comfortable with. Head over to Online Video Cutter. Click on Open File and select the video you need to remove watermark from. Adjust the mark around the watermark and click on Preview. Your video with removed watermark will be downloaded automatically. Do this for all the animations. And lastly, combine everything you have created and collected in a free video editor. Now you will have animations with watermarks removed. AI voiceovers. Background sound and visual effects. If you are new to video editing, there are thousands of tutorials in YouTube. It will take maybe a day or so to grasp the basics of video editing with tutorials. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get in creating animations or finding perfect voiceover and sound effects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe.